Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful design of crochet table mats, as they are very versatile, decorative and practical. Some of them you can use it the way you want it to use. They will provide a protection to the table surface from scratches, stains and spills. You can decorate your table in any way, in any color, the way you want it to be, and you can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the dining table. So you can see as the designs are different and the color scheme are also different, so you can design it the way you want it to be. It's all up to you. And their crochet table mats are made of high quality materials and are usually long lasting and durable as compared to other table mats. And you have the option to design in multiple colors, so they are very easy to clean and they can be hand washed or machine washed without losing the shape of color. So as well as they are very eco-friendly, as they are made of natural colors like cotton, linen and wool, so which are eco-friendly and sustainable. And like they are cost-effective alternative to expensive tablecloths, and they can be made at home using simple crochet techniques and patterns. As if you are a beginner, you can give your hand a practice on crochet table mats. So you can even gift it to someone else for housewarming parties, wedding and other special occasion. And they are very personalized by choosing the color, pattern and size according to individual preferences and home decor. So yeah, that's all. I would definitely recommend you, if you are planning to invest something good in table mats, then go for the crochet table mats. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends and let me know your favorite design. Thank you so much. Have a good day.